Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Major Pyrotechnics here again, coming at you at Area 51 fireworks. Let's do a quick walkthrough. Either if you like or you see or you vibe with anything in the vid, hit that subscribe, hit that like, hit the share. Drop me a comment, say what's up. But yeah, let's go for a walk. Let's check it out. Check out some of these goodies right here. Some alien brands. What else do we got? Riding shotgun, badge of honor, shenanigans, neon dreams, some jaws, publicity stunt. Ooh, that's a good one. I like that one. Some more aliens. Let's keep it walking. We have your wind chill. Yep, subscribe, like, share. Hit that like button. Appreciate you all. Some gender reveal. America's New Gold Rush. I want to try that one out. Excuse me. Rivet Up, Eagle Eye, Bad Reputation, 75, 79.99, 76. All right, let's turn around. American Intensity 9-shot. Is that a Noab? Shell kick? Scorpion, that's a nice one. Vegas Trip. Ooh, Brothers Classics. Some more Brothers Classics. Amped. Widowmaker. They got a lot of those. 79. So $80. Baby Boomers, I did that one. That one is okay. Brothers Heavyweights, that's alright. Cool Company. Cyborg. Speed Trap. Southern Comfort. Ooh, I think I'll throw up a demo of that one. Incognito. And also a bunch of these products, you can also purchase these on case prices. Just got to go in the back and check out their wholesale side. Daredevil, Brothers Heavyweights. $87.49. Gravedigger, that's a good one. You know, I really want to try out all of these alien brand ones. All right, let's move over. 3 more 500 grammars. Warhawk 16-shot, Shotgun Wedding, 91.49. Let's keep moving. Have Fun in the Summertime by Alien. Wind Up. That's a classic right there. Alien does have, or I'm sorry, Area 51 does have a lot of Alien brand products in here. Let's keep it moving. Still walking. Stay with us, guys. What do you have here? Parental advisory. $100. 500-gram cake. Eye peeler by Alien. $101.99. Before taxes. Area 51 conspiracy theory. All right, let's look. 200 grammars. Yep. Wow. You can totally make a show out of only 200 grammars. Still moving. Magnificent Festival. That's a favorite of mine. Gone Fishing. I seen that. That's a good one. For a little guy. Ooh, Falcon Rising. One of my favorite 200 grammars. Falcon Rising reminds me of a mini blonde joke. Really nice 200 grammar. I would suggest getting that one. Or throwing that up in one of your shows. Alien Mistress. $15. Super Stallion. Can't go wrong with that. Still moving. And a bunch of these you may have seen already or blown up already. But that's okay because we'll keep going. Right. Yep, hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit that share. Drop me a comment. Wacky Tobacco. 9 on the board. No ab. Shell cake. Whichever you choose to call it. Let's look down below. All right. I think we're in the Noab shell cake area. Wow. LOL. Smiley face. Shell cake. Happy face effects. Maybe. Possible. Too much attitude. WTF. Perfect game. Glory, honor, power. Stoked. Believe. 206. Did I see 206 for Believe? For one? Wow. Cannabis Revolution. This is a good one by Alien Brown. 36 shot, but it's a banger. Here we are on the big zippers. Johnny. 314 for one. Not gonna lie, 314. That's kind of steep. All right. Assortments. What do we have here? Stars and Stripes, 91. Got some artillery shells, some single shots. Look like there's some Roman candles. Right here, Mars Attacks on the bottom. Yep, Mars Attacks. The thing with the Mars Attacks assortment pack is that big Saturn missile battery. Let's keep moving. All-American Blockbuster. More artilleries, some fountains, some little novelties in there as well. 141 for one. Rolling in the Dough. That's another good assortment pack. All of those last ones, if you ask me, Mars Attacks is the one. King of Pyro. A few more single shots in there. Cash is the king. Rebellion. 218 for one. Look like there's a lot of goods in there. Still moving. Super King of Pyro Assortment. Brown Pride, 355.49. Take a look what's in this. Yeah. Like some 200 grammars were in that. Right, I think I missed this area right here. Let's take a look through here. Fighting Rooster. Wow, that's a nice one. That's like a 20-second duration, but it's nice. Drone Attack, $10. Let's keep moving. Where we have fountains. Fountain line. All right. Super Fountain, $40. Little fountain pack. Fountains are also known as the Safe and Sane. If I'm not mistaken, Safe and Sanes are fountains, ground blooms, jumping jacks, firecrackers. More Safe and Sane. See that little neon light pack right there? Fantasy Reality. Catcalls, Brothers Heavyweight, Payback. Purplicious. I'm assuming it's a majority purple fountain. Although I really do like fountains. I know there's a lot of pyros out there who don't care for fountains, but I like them. World's highest fountain. World's strongest fountain. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and try those. See how strong and really how high those really go. All right, let's keep moving. Flash some prices on the fly. Okay. Canisters. My favorite. Shells of Vengeance. $98.99 for a 24 kit. That's an Alien brand. I've done that before. It's a nice one. Those bang. Neon Invasion by Alien. $99.99 for a 24 kit. Light Entertainment 5-inch canisters. $96.99. Alien 5-inch Invasion canisters. $103.99. Brothers Heavyweight or Brothers Brave New World neon canister. $131.99 for a 24 kit. All-time classic Smoke and Mirrors by Brothers. $129.99. That's a good one. Grand Jury. Another Alien. Excal Platinums. I know in previous videos I did say who cares about Excals, but Excal Platinums those are on. Pure Pyro. $135. Regular Excals, yeah, these are the ones. Who cares about them? Nah, it's just joking. I'm just joking. Excals, you can never go wrong with them. Alien Getting. Right? Still moving. Got some artillery shells, more canisters, and more artillery shells. Triple brakes. I see some triple brakes right there. Yep. Straight A's. Some triple brake. Super Magnum artillery shells. $52.99. World class Super Magnums. Some Alien Magnum shells. $51.99. Still moving. Alien Magnum shells, $44.49. Alien Super Magnum, $49.99. Is that the price difference for the bangerness? Bangerness. Some alien crackling. And these alien crackling and the alien artillery. Are those the ones that are in the assortment packs? It just might be. Super artillery. $22.99. Whistling Buster. Oh, wow. Whistling artillery shells. Premium artillery shells. All right, guys, that wraps it up. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking us out.